Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. It's time for another unboxing. This showed up in my mailbox the other day from the folks at 8Bitdo, and these are their new light Bluetooth gamepads, and they are strewn with directional pads on here, as you can see. They've got two D-pads and then a Switch-style D-pad as well that you might see on the Joy-Cons. We're going to have a full review of this coming up soon on my main channel at lon.tv, but today we are going to unbox these. These did come in free of charge from 8Bitdo. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. Now, the colors on these match the new Switch Lite. So you've got a yellow one here. That looks pretty cool. And I like the feel of it. It's got a nice feel in my hands. It's a little smaller than your typical game controller, but it feels like the buttons and the D-pads are about the size of what you would see on the Nintendo Switch. The D-pads here feel really nice. They don't have a deep amount of travel to them, and you can hear them kind of clicking. Let me just put it up to the microphone here. So they have a little bit of a click to them. So that's kind of neat. I believe this switch here will determine what they map to. I'm going to do some experimenting with this when we do the full review. The documentation didn't indicate what this switch did, but we'll explore that and see exactly what it does. And there you go. This will work, by the way, with the Nintendo Switch, along with the PC, with Steam, and the Raspberry Pi. So it's got pretty broad compatibility. These also work with Android devices, too. And then they also have these really cool adapters for retro game consoles, and it will work with those as well. So you could have this work with your Nintendo Entertainment System if you wanted to. They do a nice job with that, but really nice feeling controller, actually. It is thin, so you don't have your trigger and shoulder buttons separated vertically. They're separated horizontally here, so that might take a little bit of getting used to, but that is it. And I'm going to try a couple of twin stick shooter games and see how it works with dual D-pads. I think the last time I saw a dual D-pad was on the old Nintendo Virtual Boy. Let's unbox the other one here. This is the Turquoise one. Same controller, just different color. And let's see what that one looks like. So there you go. Feels the same here. Really nice feeling controller, actually. I'm looking forward to playing around with this a little bit more. These are rechargeable. They have an internal battery. Also in the box, you get a small instruction manual because you do have to do different things depending on the platform that you're using. So you have to put it into X input mode, for example, for the PC by holding down X and start, I believe. The Switch has a different command, so you just have to keep an eye on this instruction manual. You can download these from their website, too, if you lose them. And then you've got a USB Type-C charging cable. And the way these work is that you can actually use them as wired controllers also. So if you just want to plug it in directly, you can just pop it in there like that and get going with it. So I'm going to have a full review of these coming up soon on the main channel at lon.tv. And I would love to hear from you all as to what some of the use cases there might be for having two D-pads, because this is definitely a very unique-looking controller, and I'd love to get some ideas from you as to things I should test in that review. Lots to come here, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.